April 27th, 2024. The day started overcast and very humid. The Storm Prediction Center had issued a moderate risk of severe thunderstorms stretching from northwest Texas through Oklahoma and into southern Kansas. My plan was to drive up to Wichita Falls and then assess where the best action would be for storm chasing. Dew points were in the mid to upper 60s and there was almost no capping inversion in place, so by noon, storms had already begun to fire off the dry line. I decided to go after the first severe thunderstorm in my vicinity, which was rapidly developing near Quanah, Texas. This storm was moving northeast at about 30 to 40 miles per hour, and it looked like it was trying to develop a hook. Once I arrived in town, I was able to team up with a fellow storm chaser who had a lot more experience than I did and knew the local area a lot better. We drove up to El Dorado, Oklahoma, and encountered some dime to nickel-size hail. That's starting to look pretty good right over there.
Great.
Yeah, I see that.
Great.
Surprisingly, this first storm began to fizzle out, and we noticed new storms forming near Seymour, Texas. We raced south to get ahead of this new supercell, and soon a tornado warning had been issued. By the time we got there, the first radar couplet indicating a possible tornado had diminished, and a new, stronger one had formed southwest of town. This is a radar reflectivity image of the storm as it passed by Seymour. A well-defined hook is clearly visible, and at the time of this image, it is likely that a tornado was on the ground, as it was captured by the KAUZ news crew. On velocity mode, where the reds indicate winds moving away from the radar and greens moving towards the radar, a very tight circulation can be seen crossing Highway 82 and moving quickly to the northeast. We were located just north of the highway and only a few hundred yards from the center of rotation. This was a risky encounter since the tornado, if it was on the ground, was completely wrapped in precipitation. At the last possible moment, we decided to move south and east as the wind began to rock our vehicles and engulf us in a dark cloud of dust and rain.
Goodness. Is it on? Is it down?
No.
Oh.
But I see the tight rotation on the inside.
Yeah.
Then right, 1, 2, 3, on the fourth windmill there. Well, there where
Yeah.
it's not.
Yeah. I wonder. Oh wow! Look at the circulation. You see the rain bands? Yeah, right there. See the rain bands being pulled in.
Oh, yep.
Oh my goodness! Look at this. Wow, that is some tight.
If we go north, we're going to get it.
I'm not sure I'm going to go north. I think I'm going to go. Yeah, we got it.
After retreating to a safe location, we watched the circulation move off to our northeast. This is some drone footage that I was able to capture at the end of the day, giving a nice panorama of the storm outflow. Thanks for watching my video, and I look forward to the next chase.